reacting to the indictment against former FBI Director James Comey, even calling it exceptionally weak, telling Politico, quote, fundamental problems with the case itself, as well as the unusual events that preceded the indictment, will make it difficult to bring Comey to trial, let alone secure a conviction. Joining us to break this all down, former United States District Judge for the Southern District of New York, Shira Scheindlin. Also with us is James Sample, Hofstra University professor of law and a former attorney at the Brennan Center for Justice Democracy Program. So, Judge, let's start with you. We want to hear what you make of these charges and how close to the line to the statute of limitations for it even running out to bring these charges against James Comey.
Yeah, there was a race to get it done, and the president knew that when he said, we have no time to lose. We have to get this done. We got to do it now. We've delayed too long. I mean, this president urged this on. He directed his attorney general to get this indictment now, whatever it takes.
Could that be used against him, or can that be used by James Comey in his defense that this case was brought on? Yeah, both of you. I mean,
well, yeah, of course it can. There's going to be motions, vindictive prosecution, selective prosecution, and they're going to use the president's own words. I'm sure you've played these words or know these words, but even on Friday morning, he said, whether you like the corrupt James Comey or not, I can't imagine too many people liking him. He lied. It's not a complex lie. It's a very simple but important one. There's no way he can explain his way out of it. That's what he said after the indictment. Before the indictment, he called him a slime ball, corrupt, the worst liar ever, and a whole bunch of other words. This is going to be a defense argument.
Well, and more than just those name-calling incidents, he called for his attorney general to direct this prosecution. He fired the outgoing U.S. attorney, or the U.S. attorney resigned. Who knows? It depends on who you listen to. And then he installed somebody with no experience, specifically so as to get this done. Vindictive prosecution motions fail almost always. As the judge knows better than anyone. But
what you're witnessing isn't justice. It's political theater disguised as law. Trump is wielding indictments like weapons, not because the cases are solid, but because he craves headlines, mugshots, and fear. Think about it. Even veteran prosecutors are calling the Comey indictment one of the weakest they've ever seen. That should set off alarms. This isn't about accountability, it's about intimidation. When a president replaces professionals with loyalists, removes prosecutors who refuse to play along, and pushes flimsy charges, that's not democracy at work. That's autocracy seeping in through the courts. And make no mistake, the American people are the true targets of this erosion. If Trump can direct prosecutions against his enemies today, what's to stop him from turning that power on anyone tomorrow? The rule of law is being hollowed out right in front of us. Ignore it now, and you'll wake up in a country where justice serves power, not truth. Do you want me to make it short and punch?